Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to find your YouTube password. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So what you have to do is for you to go over to you, which is at the right corner at your right, and you go over to accounts, and over to accounts here you have to scroll down. You're going to see manage Google accounts. So over here at the manage Google account, you go over to the search area and searching, go there and searching password. And what you have to do here, you have to go over to password manager, and over here at the password manager, so it will take you to Google, and you go over to the search area too. Over here you're going to see search 12 words. You're going to search Google. Let me search Google, and this is it here. So what it's going to do is for you to verify that it's you, for you to log in. So I'm going to sign in using my Face ID. You can do that with your password, and this is my username, and over here this is my password, my YouTube password. So you just have to go over to this place that icon is showing there. Just go over and tap on it, and you're going to see your YouTube password. And this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.